Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sheer, your AEC tech girl, and today we're diving into the Autodesk Construction Cloud, also known as ACC. If you're an ACC administrator, you know how crucial it is to keep your projects running smoothly, manage your users efficiently, and ensure that data is well organized. So I've put together my top 5 essential tips to help you optimize workflows, manage user permissions, and streamline your projects. Let's jump in. Tip number 1 is set up your projects the right way. One of the biggest mistakes I see admins make is jumping straight into a project without a proper setup. But trust me, taking the time to set up your projects correctly will save you hours of frustration later. So here's how to do it. First of all, use project templates. This ensures consistency across multiple projects by standardizing folder structures, settings, and permissions. If you're managing multiple projects, this is a game changer. Next is defining naming conventions. Make sure everyone follows a standardized file naming system to prevent confusion. Trust me, searching for final_version2_real_final is nobody's favorite task. And lastly, set user permissions early. Before inviting your team, define access levels, who needs edit access, who should only view files. Taking the time to do this upfront avoids major security and organizational headaches later. Tip number 2 is manage user permissions effectively. I can't tell you how often I've seen teams run into access issues because permissions weren't set correctly. And here's what you need to know. Use role-based permissions. Instead of assigning access on an individual basis, create roles like project manager, subcontractor, designer, architect, or BIM manager with predefined access levels as either project administrator or project member. This makes onboarding new team members much easier. You will still need to set up product access level on a template level to assign what products the user will have access to. Next is regularly audit and update those roles. As the project evolves, so do team responsibilities. Periodically review permissions to ensure that users only have access to what they need. Tip number 3 is keep your files organized. A messy file system can slow down even the most efficient teams, so keeping your documents organized is key. Set up logical folder structures, organize files by discipline, phase, or document type. Whatever system you choose, make sure it's clear and easy for everyone to follow. And of course, make sure that this is set up in your template. Enable version control. This ensures that teams always work with the latest file versions while still keeping a record of past iterations. No more overriding important work. And of course, use file linking. If certain documents are referencing often, link them across folders instead of duplicating that file. This saves space and makes updates much easier. And of course, it ensures that the link is up to date as well. Tip number 4 is automate where possible. If you're still manually handling every approval or document review, it's time to embrace automation. Set up custom workflows, use ACC Build to automate approval processes and document reviews. This keeps things moving efficiently without back and forth emails. Schedule reports instead of manually compiling reports. Set up automated reports to keep stakeholders updated, and you'll save time and improve communication. And lastly, integrate with other tools. If you're using Power Automate or other API integrations, connect ACC with your existing workflows to boost efficiency. And tip number 5 is leverage insights and analytics. ACC has powerful built-in tools that can help you monitor project performance, detect risks, and make data-driven decisions. Use dashboards. These provide an at-a-glance view of key metrics, including issue trends and compliance status. Analyze bottlenecks by tracking workflow data. You can spot inefficiencies and make adjustments before they cause delays. And of course, export reports for decision making. Whether it's safety compliance, issue tracking, or cost analysis, the reporting tools in ACC help you stay ahead of potential problems. I also have a little bonus tip for you, which is to stay up to date with ACC updates. Make sure to follow Autodesk's product updates as new features roll out frequently, and you don't want to miss tools that could save you time. Make sure to join ACC communities like the Big Room to connect with other admins, ask questions, and share best practices. And of course, Make sure to train your team regularly. Even small updates can make a huge difference in efficiency. So keep your team informed and trained. And that's it. My top 5 tips for ACC administrators. I hope these tips help you streamline your workflows and get the most out of the Autodesk Construction Cloud. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And now I want to hear from you. What's your favorite ACC feature? Do you have a go-to tip for administrators? Drop a comment down below and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay empowered, stay inspired, and always challenge what is possible.